Hi Sherry, hope you are doing well. So thank you for reaching out regarding this project. The one thing I need your help for automation process. Like here you can see in your Zapier, I have created this Zap like automation Zap. So once you open this Zap, because in your project we need to integrate Notion on Google Form, Google Drive, Mailchimp, Shopify, and Stripe. So I have created these action trigger and action process. So when you click here in the Notion, you need to connect Notion account. So once you done this, then click the Google Form, then connect to Google Form. First of all, you need to create a Google Form, then connect. Then next, once you done Google Form, then click Google Drive and connect Google Drive account. Once you done, then click Mailchimp and integrate connect with Mailchimp account. Once you done, then Shopify, connect here in this account, sign in with the account, like it will be connected. Then Stripe. So once you connect these all or account, then I will be able to build the automation for these scenarios. And the last thing, I need a clear trigger and action process for this. What you want to build these automation, like what action you need for Zapier, Google Form, Google Drive, Mailchimp, Shopify, Stripe. So once you connect these account and share with me clear trigger and action process, then I will set up this automation. Thank you.